In this part of the test, you will read aloud the text on the screen. You will have 45 seconds to prepare. Then you will have 45 seconds to read the text aloud.
Begin preparing now. Begin reading aloud now. Begin preparing now. Begin reading aloud now.
In this part of the test, you will describe the picture on your screen in as much detail as you can. You will have 45 seconds to prepare your response. Then you will have 45 seconds to speak about the picture.
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In this part of the test, you will answer 3 questions. You will have 3 seconds to prepare after you hear each question. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 4 and 5, and 30 seconds to respond to question 6.
Imagine that a university professor is doing research in your area. You have agreed to participate in a telephone interview about fairs and festivals. What was the most recent fair or festival you went to, and did you enjoy it?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
Where do you usually find out information about fairs or festivals?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
With whom do you prefer to attend fairs or festivals, and why? Alone, with family, or with friends?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In this part of the test, you will answer 3 questions based on the information provided. You will have 45 seconds to read the information before the questions begin. You will have 3 seconds to prepare after you hear each question. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 7 and 8, and 30 seconds to respond to question 9.
Begin preparing now.
Hi, I know you're working on the most recent schedule for the Sustainable Growth Conference. I'd like to ask some questions regarding it, if you don't mind. When does the first presentation start and what is it about?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I heard the conference is going to be held at the Enterprise Conference Center, right?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I'm interested in learning about renewable energy. Can you give me all the details you have about the event focusing on renewable energy?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In this part of the test, you will be presented with a problem and asked to propose a solution. You will have 45 seconds to prepare. Then you will have 60 seconds to speak. In your response, be sure to show that you recognize the problem and propose a way of dealing with the problem. Now, listen to the voice message.
There's one more problem to discuss at our management meeting. As you know, we are planning to diversify our menu in our cafeteria as many of our employees want to have different kinds of food. Before deciding which menu items to add, I wanted to hear about employees' preferences, so I put survey sheets at the entrance of the cafeteria. However, only a few people have completed them, so we need to think of a way to increase participation.
Yes, that's true. We need to get more feedback from our employees because it costs a lot to develop and add new menu items.
That's right. What do you think would be the best way to get more employees to complete the survey? I'd like each of you here to call me back later today with a plan.
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In this part of the test, you will give your opinion about a specific topic. Be sure to say as much as you can in the time allowed. You will have 30 seconds to prepare. Then you will have 60 seconds to speak.
Do you agree or disagree with the following statement? Interacting with coworkers on social media has a positive impact on the workplace. Give specific reasons or examples to support your opinion.
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.